I have data mainly relating to the United Kingdom and to Europe, but I'm sure similar trends are apparent over this side of the Atlantic. So this is a graph showing deaths due to MRSA in England and Wales, and you can see a steady increase to the latest set of figures of 2006. Another important pathogen which is resistant to many antibiotics is Clostridium difficile, and these are deaths steadily rising. In fact, in the last couple of years, deaths due to MRSA seem to have peaked, whereas deaths due to Clostridium difficile are increasing. Now, in the case of MRSA, we have no new antibiotics. So vancomycin is the last line antibiotic, and already we're seeing resistance to vancomycin. And it's amazing, you know, humanity never ceases to amaze me, well, for all sorts of reasons, but what are we going to do? What are we going to do? There is no more antibiotics for treating MRSA infections once vancomycin resistance is widespread. But it's a bit like, you know, humanity, we all are aware that we're all going to die, but none of us really think it's going to happen to us. And it's the same kind of attitude. So we do have a serious problem. These are some figures from antibiotic resistance in Europe, and you can see this is Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA. The United Kingdom, Spain, Italy all have 25 to 50% of the isolates are resistant to a wide range of antibiotics. Streptococcus pneumonia, these are invasive isolates resistant to penicillin. Again, you can see 25 to 50% in these countries and high proportions in other countries. Streptococcus pneumoniae resistant to macrolides, again high proportions in a number of countries. Escherichia coli resistant to fluoroquinolone, this is all data for 2009, you can see that Spain and Italy, 25 to 50%, and quite high proportions in a range of other countries.